Ladies and gentlemen, I have an exciting project to discuss with you today. Somebody I know who's quite close to me has been watching a guy called Gary Vaynerchuk's videos and convinced that what he says about people from the older generation having excuses about being on social media has to change, and they're going to help me by posting content on LinkedIn. And I've asked them, they asked me a few questions. This particular individual asked me a bunch of questions about LinkedIn, how long it should be, how do you actually find how to post it, and they didn't do shit. So I've got a challenge for this person. We're going to do a 30-day challenge. They're going to post a video every single day, and the person is my dad, Graham Bibby, and apparently he's already posted his first video. We did a little Zoom meeting earlier. You can see here a shot from our little chat. I thought, why don't we do a 30-day challenge? Dad, he likes a challenge. I'll hold him accountable by posting on LinkedIn, telling everyone what he's about to do. What I expect is you post a video every day. Right. And so a video is worth 1 point. So you've got to get 30 points for the month. Sorry? A video is worth 1 point, posting a video. Yeah. If you interview somebody, it's worth 2 points. So if you miss a day, you can always interview someone, and then it's the equivalent of 2 days. You might do 5 posts yourself and 1 interview a week. But an interview can be with anyone. It can be with George, it can be with, I can be with somebody you meet in a coffee shop, doesn't matter. But you have to. Yeah. You just want to use the hashtag. You used hashtags before, haven't you? Not really. So you just do an crosses sign. Say that again. You've got 10 hours to put your first video up. Well, that's cheating. That's half a day. You might want to say this is day 1, day 2, just to make sure that no cheating goes on. I bought a newspaper and got out of there. What are we going to do if you don't post one day? Oh, well, we'll look. I'll just play that little section of the video on repeat. Not doing it is not an option. Okay, any final last words? Let's just do it, man. Let's do it. So if I post one today, I'm 1 ahead of the curve, right? Yay! Yeah, I don't think you're going to do it. So I can just be walking along and do a video about something I think looks interesting, right? Yeah, but the thing is, to my target market. Does it matter how I'm dressed? And it's okay if I say sponsored by Kahiba, Verve. As long as you have clothes on, Dad, it's fine. Oh, okay. It's your funeral. Rather it's not, because I'm only halfway through. Yeah. I've got to wait another 65 years for that. Oh, phone's ringing. All right, peace. All right. Speak to you later. But go over to Graham Bibby, follow his journey. We're going to find out what he learns along the way. Like, he just did his first video. He's got more hashtags than I've ever seen. I don't know. There seem to be a lot of hashtags about Grant Cardone. I don't know what that's got to do with LinkedIn. Go over there, show him some love, give him some feedback. Don't be easy on him, guys.